Sema kung
Dway nam ta kita gi bahiyeng gi chopping ga ga ski Dway nam ta jogging ga ublay ga ga ski ujubab na
And I know if you pray for your family,
ublay
God
wa
will answer you.
pananay baka ga ski ga jubab ga
For
ublay
God says, ask from me, and this is the day that I will answer your prayer.
ublay umpen slam show ba jubab
For God will not take time to
umpen
answer
slam
your
show ba
prayer.
jubab ma ga jingwan ga jingu ka lahat pala
For we know that His second coming is due. But this is the night of answer. This is the night that Lord will do miracles. You had been expecting for long.